Do you feel your shoulders holding your back from getting a full backswing? Or maybe you have the backswing, but somehow your arm kind of sticks out there and start casting out? Well, I want to give you three things you can work on so you actually stay in the slot and either keep or increase that distance on the fairway without swinging yourself out of your shoes. Now, if you watch this video, you will see I'm going to take you through the three things you can do on and off the course to improve that backswing so you are not forcing your golf mechanics out of sync. If you're not familiar, my name is Carlos, and I am a therapeutic trainer for golfers who want to swing pain free without losing yardage and, most importantly, being able to stay consistent with their shots pain free. Now, I want you to watch this video again because I am showing you the three things you need to work on and off the course. And that includes not only the stability of your shoulder, but also overall flexibility and mobility of your core. And if you drop a comment below, I will send you those three specific things with the step by step of what you need to do so you can actually do a backswing pain free.